Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see a basic overview of the Google Sheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, you just install the Google Sheet mobile from the Play Store. So now just open the sheets. So this is the first overview that you will see. So this plus icon, which you can just choose template or new spreadsheet, and clicking on this three dot, you will see shared with me, stored option, offline, and spam, trash bin, that you deleted files will be here. And click on the setting option. So here you can just change the themes and also making the files offline, data usage, and also the clear cache will be here. So now you can just change this menu by using this option and our folder and also search thing. Click on this plus symbol and click on the new spreadsheet. This is the overview of the spreadsheet here. So in clicking on the three dots, which shows which sheet that you are on the present, and just clicking on the tab which already opens the formula bar and also the text formatting options, and also add the tables and whatever the add cells. A lot of options are here, and click on this plus symbol which allows you to insert the every insert option like a link, chart, images, and rows and columns like that. And also clicking on this three dot option on the top, which you can see share and export the data, and a lot more options like this. And these are the basic overview of the Google Sheets mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.